Hello, an incoming front hitting parts of the country tomorrow. You think some might need to grab the raincoat. Think again. It's all about high pressure. With that, it's mostly dry. And when we've got high pressure, like I said yesterday, it's big mount of warm air. One high there. There's the incoming front. Notice how it's breaking. There's the current high. And that big mount of warm air makes the system go that way and pretty much fade. Good warm northwest flow ahead of that to the far south. Gave us 30 degrees. I'll show you what that is in a second. 27 to Hamilton. Lots and lots of 20s. Fine day. Of course, some low cloud in a few spots to start with. That burned off nicely. There's your 30 to Alexandra, cooler to the east coast and to the north and the west. We'll see more temperatures as well into the coming days in the mid to upper 20s, even a couple of 30s. So what is going on? Big area of high pressure. This high shrinks a little bit. There's our front, but look at it. It's just got nothing on it. It's just like Mother Nature forgot to put the rain on it. That's going to go there. It's just a few spots, just parts of Southland. A new high builds in, and then you start to think, hang on, we're going a few days without rain. Yeah, things are starting to dry out. Soil moisture across the country. Red is dry. Banks Peninsula, Wairarapa, and of course Auckland northwards. That is dry. Next 7 days, any chance for some rain? Some spots, look at Taranaki, stay dry. We get another system coming in from the probably next sort of 7 to 10 days, but with the big fat high, we stay dry. Great for the outdoor plans. That's the plan tomorrow across much of the far north. May see the odd inland shower, Kaitaia, but I think everyone else, after some morning cloud, you are looking fine. That is the plan in Auckland. Early cloud, great looking day once again. You've got sort of fairly light winds. Sea breezes will be going again. Around the region, that is early cloud, 25, 26. Great day. Ice cream man will be busy once again. From the Bay of Plenty towards the Central Plateau, it's the same sort of thing. A little bit of early cloud, but for most, look at these temperatures. Tamarunui, 29 degrees there. Could be the odd 30 floating about too. Hamilton, you will grab 28. Just the morning cloud, then into some sunshine, and most doing well around the region too. Upper 20s to even close to 30. Tauranga, you'll be fine. That's just the morning cloud. Then plenty of sunshine. 25 degrees is where you finish, and notice even around the region, mid to upper 20s as well. Same sort of thing. It is sunshine, of course, with that area of high pressure in place. Remember, we have that cloud. May have that cloud again to the east of the North Island for the morning. Gisborne right the way down to Marston. But check out the temperatures there. Marston, 28 degrees. Looking pretty good for New Plymouth. It stays dry for you, of course. All the way further south to Levin, 24, 25. That is the plan. And, of course, for Wellington, looking good. Another fine looking day. Light winds, always a good day. Heads up Wellington. By Thursday, we'll pick up that wind again. So make the most of you. Think of it. Maybe taking a dip tomorrow. You've got a good day around the capital. Heading towards the South Island, things are, of course, in pretty good shape. Pretty similar here too. Nelson, Blenheim, 28 degrees. Further west too, maybe it's just some early cloud to Westport. You've got a fine day finishing at 21. Christchurch, 27. That is maybe just a little bit of morning cloud. By the end of the day, we drag in a southerly later on. That's that weak front, but it will bring some cloud going into the nighttime and early Thursday. But for most, morning cloud and then otherwise a decent looking day. Tracking our way south and west, we look good. Of course, it's the area of high pressure. Fine. West coast, that is just some early cloud. There is just some early cloud there as well, and I mentioned that little change later on going into the night and early Thursday. Queenstown, 24 degrees for you. You have a fine, dry-looking day, may drag in some more cloud, and around the region more cloud as well. Alexandra, you'll see more cloud for the end of the day. That could pin back your temperature, but it still is a decent day. But notice, further south and west, that is some wetter weather for the afternoon. Gore, Invercargill, on that weak front, but there's no rain on it. It's just, it's there, it's gone. It may give you an afternoon shower in Dunedin, but I wouldn't sit there with the rain bucket. It doesn't have much. In some places, maybe only a couple of millimetres, if that. Mossgiel sees 25, maybe seeing a late day shower. And for the Chathams, you've still got that cloud with that southerly flow, 18 degrees, 19 for you tomorrow. Let's get ourselves into, of course, to Thursday. That's some cloud, maybe some drizzle to the east coast of the South Island, but not much moisture. We're back to a new high building in for the end of the week. Some showers, onshore flow to the east of the North Island for the end of the week. Getting to Saturday, look at that. High pressure building back in. You think the weekend, how is it shaping? Well, with high pressure, you've already got some good plans for the weekend, looking fine. Heading to Australia, warm flow there to Perth, 34. East coast looks fine. There's a few odd showers. Tropical troublemaker maybe to the west, and you can see all those swirly things there. Heads up New Caledonia tomorrow. It's getting close. This is Lucas, Category 2. It is fading. It's getting some shear, but of course wind and rain with that. All the others are fading. The other one going away, and you can see it is quite an active time. But for our weather, though, it's staying fine and dry.
Kia ora, Dan. Much appreciated. In INA core, Fitu Koi, time now for 7 sharp. Jeremy, we need to talk. That hurungutu, that moustache.
Yes, we need to talk.
What, Simon? What? It's hanging on by a thread.
Cut that thread.
Yeah. We put it to the people, actually, and they have spoken.